This is the 14-inch portable TV. I'm going to do an unboxing kind of thing first, and then I'll show you how well it works. So that's the TV itself. You can see the controls that you have on there. There's volume down, volume up, menu, channel down, channel up, OK, and source. And then on the back you have a stand, and it's got kind of rubber grippy things here, so it'll hold, so you can just set it on the table and it'll work like that. There's resistance in here. It's not gonna, this isn't gonna flop around. As far as the back goes, you have serial cable in for TV, HDMI, that's regular HDMI, AV in, sorry, I'm getting out of focus here, HDMI, AV in, headphones, your power off on, and then that's your power source right there. There's also little rubber grippies on the bottom, so in addition to the stand, you've got these are very grippy in there, so it's not going to go sliding around. So that's the unit itself. This is what it comes with. So this is your charge, your power. You get this remote, which is actually looks pretty decent. You get a car charger. That's nice. And here's your stand, and I'll get this put together and let you know how it goes. So just wanted to add, if you're going to use you can either just use this stand. Oh, you know, I didn't cover before, there's a USB port on this side. I didn't cover that. But if you're just going to use this stand, then you can take this plate that they give you and use the provided, sorry, it goes this way, I think. Yeah. So use the provided screws they give you to screw that in. So that's covered up. If you use the stand that they provide, then this goes in this section here, and you see that's adjustable, and then they provide you with this cover that you screw in over that, and then that allows you to have an adjustable stand. There's also what appears to be a Visa mounting holes here. So I'm going to, we'll see, I may see if it mounts to a stand. It also comes with some cables if you need them. It does have a lock feature in case you do need, want to lock it for from the kids or something. So I just thought I'd show you that you can put in a password. Here's the specs on it. It's a 14.1 inch. It's 1280 by 800 resolution. And there's the formats it supports. So it has a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. It doesn't say how big it is on here. That might be in the listing somewhere. So setup went easily. I just plugged in a Google Chromecast just to see quickly how it works. The setup went easily. It had me choose like Central Time, air, cable, what language, and so forth. And then I selected HDMI as a source, and I was good to go. So I'm just showing you what things look like here. Looks good. Let me pick something, and then we'll. The volume is pretty good. You're not gonna get. I'm not getting a lot of bass with the speakers, but I wouldn't expect to. So let me just turn this up.
Rikers for 3.5 months, starting in a week.
Why are you going to Rikers?
So that's pretty loud and it's only halfway up.
That's a good question. Why am I going to Rikers, or why am I going to jail?
So it actually gets pretty loud. So the screen looks great. Looks good. I think that's it. Can't think of anything else to go over. I haven't actually taken the screen cover off, so let's do that and see if it makes a difference. Yeah, that's even better. So it's a neat little unit.
Took about 5 whacks at each other before the arm finally came up, and both of them are going to go. So when we come back, we're going to have a little 4-on-4 hockey again.
Well, we'll take another look at why Mitch Marner was all upset as he's taken down by LaFerriere.